Daily English Talks. Organizing the living room.
I think we should organize the living room today because it has started to look messy and a little uncomfortable.
I agree with you completely because when the living room is messy, it makes the whole house feel untidy and stressful.
Let's begin by picking up all the magazines and books that are scattered across the coffee table and the sofa.
That sounds like a good idea. And while you do that, I will collect the remote controls and put them in one place.
I didn't realize how many old newspapers we have been keeping on the shelf for no reason at all.
Maybe we should throw away the ones we no longer need and keep only the important ones in a folder.
Yes, keeping unnecessary things only makes the room feel crowded and harder to clean.
I also think we should rearrange the cushions on the sofa because they look uneven and messy.
You're right, and maybe we can change the cushion covers to make the room look fresher and brighter.
That would definitely make a difference, especially since we spend most of our evenings relaxing here.
I will fold the blankets neatly and place them inside the storage basket near the couch.
While you do that, I will dust the television stand and wipe the screen carefully.
Please remember to clean behind the television because dust usually collects there without us noticing.
Thanks for reminding me, because I often forget to clean the hidden corners of the room.
After we finish cleaning the surfaces, we should vacuum the carpet to remove all the dirt and crumbs.
I noticed that there are some small stains on the carpet that we should treat before vacuuming.
Good observation, and I will bring a cleaning solution so we can remove those stains properly.
I really like it when we work together like this because it makes the job easier and more enjoyable.
Me too, and it also gives us a chance to talk and spend time together while being productive.
Do you think we should move the coffee table a little closer to the sofa for better space?
That might be a good idea, but let's make sure there is still enough room to walk comfortably.
I will carefully lift this side, and you can guide me so we do not scratch the floor.
Perfect. Just move it a little to the left, and that should create a better balance in the room.
Wow, that small change already makes the living room look more spacious and organized.
I also think we should organize the bookshelf because the books are not arranged neatly.
Maybe we can arrange them by size or by category so they look more structured.
Let's arrange them by category because it will make it easier to find what we need later.
That makes sense, and we can place the decorative items between the books for a nicer appearance.
I found some old photo frames hidden behind the books that we could display again.
That is a wonderful idea because those photos bring back beautiful memories.
I will clean the frames before placing them on the shelf so they shine properly.
Meanwhile, I will organize the cables near the television so they do not look tangled and messy.
Thank you for doing that, because messy cables always make the room look chaotic.
I am using cable ties to keep everything neat and safe.
The room is already starting to feel more peaceful and comfortable.
Yes, a clean and organized space really changes the atmosphere of the entire home.
After we finish inside, maybe we can open the windows to let some fresh air come in.
That will definitely make the room feel brighter and more refreshing.
I think we should also water the small plants in the corner because they look a bit dry.
Good idea. Healthy plants always make the living room feel lively and welcoming.
I will wipe the window glass so more sunlight can enter the room clearly.
And I will straighten the curtains so they hang evenly on both sides.
It is amazing how small details can make such a big difference in the overall look.
I completely agree. Because organization is not only about cleaning, but also about arranging things thoughtfully.
Do you think we should add a small decorative tray on the coffee table for the remote controls?
That would be very practical, and it would also make the table look more stylish.
I am glad we decided to do this today instead of postponing it again.
Me too, because sometimes we feel lazy, but once we start, it feels rewarding.
The living room now feels like a calm and cozy place where we can truly relax.
I feel proud of what we have accomplished together in just one afternoon.
Let's promise to keep it organized by cleaning a little bit every day.
That is a smart plan because maintaining cleanliness is easier than doing a big cleaning session.
Next time, it will take less time because everything already has its proper place.
Exactly. And when guests come over, we will not have to rush to clean everything quickly.
I really enjoy seeing the transformation from messy to neat and beautiful.
It gives a sense of control and peace when our environment is well organized.
Thank you for helping me today and for sharing the responsibility.
You are welcome, and I always enjoy working as a team with you.
Now let's sit down on the clean sofa and enjoy the comfortable space we created.
That sounds perfect, and we truly deserve to relax in our newly organized living room.